Hey, to connect your Sony WF-1000XM5 with any Windows PC or laptop, first of all, you have to be sure that you are not connected with any other device, like for example, with my smartphone, I have to just simply disconnect. And now, we have to input both earbuds inside this charging case, we have to close it for a few seconds, and then open it. And now we have to click on this button, we have to click and hold it, and we have to simply wait until this small indicator on the front starts blinking blue. So when it is blinking blue, we have to just put this case close into our PC. And as you can see, in my case, I already have this connection. So I can quickly click on the connect and be connected. But if for some reason you don't have this, you will have to navigate manually into the settings. Next, we will have to go, let's wait for the settings, we have to go into the Bluetooth and devices on the left side. Now we have to click on this switcher to turn on the Bluetooth, and we have to select to add device. Then we have to select Bluetooth device. And now we have to select our WF-1000XM5 from the list. Sometimes you will have to wait for like 10 or even 20 seconds until your device will be visible. So just be patient and wait for it. And as you can see now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.